I'm trying to trade and to place a trade for okay, the trade has even pulled through. That's one trade 13%. So imagine if you can be doing one trade per day. One. Don't even stress yourself. Don't do two, don't do 10. Is it possible to be making $10, $20, $30, $40, depending on how many you want to do? But the challenge is that most people are greedy, and a lot of people are stubborn anyway because of their greediness. Now, this is a trade I'm doing today, which is just 13% of my stake. So imagine if I can get to do 2, 3, 4. Everybody can do this. I've always said everybody can do this. Imagine, okay, probably maybe I should show you the profit table. Yesterday's trade is there. 16. This is today's trade. So imagine if you're just doing one trade per. Okay, that's one signal I can use. Let me see if I can place the trade. Maybe because I'm talking. Okay, I can still enter the trade. It's still very early. I've entered the trade, so let's see if I can be making like that's 25%. Okay, so second trade just pulled through. So that's $13, $26. Imagine if you're making $26 every day. Every day. It is not difficult. It is not difficult, but it will be difficult if you are very stubborn. You know the year word. You can see the two trades I've done today. So that's 1, 2. So imagine if you can be doing just one. I'm not saying do 2, do 10, do 3, do just one. That's another signal. But anyway, I have to stop here. God bless you. See you in another video.